It's there. I think it's on. Cool, cool. All right, well, Connor here with Action Camera. I'm just doing a little review today on the Nikon Z30. Fantastic little crop sensor Nikon camera, very affordable, great for vlogging, anything video related. I mean, full articulating screen, really good kit zoom lens, everything you could want in a cheap video setup. Especially for vlogging, that's definitely the way to go. And so I actually have a little setup going here for the vlogging, and then I can kind of turn around if I want. There's the rest of the crew there. I kind of take you around the store here. There's Mark, Jason. There's a little mirror over here so I can kind of show you the setup I got going right now. You got the screen here, the grip, light, microphone, all pretty good setup. Easy to use, shoots high quality 1080, 4K. It's pretty great. Is anyone in the studio?
No.
Did you guys hear that?
No. You good?
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's we're just all right. That was kind of weird. And no one's working over here today. I don't know what that was. Huh. Hello? That's I mean, I guess I'll check. I can use the light I have up here. Let me see here. Power that on. There we go. Looks pretty good. Nice bright light for this very dark room. This is weird though. No one should be back here. It's almost the end of the day. Just turn it around here. The light works pretty well. Oh, it's just Chris. Chris? Hey, buddy. Oh, what the? Huh. Oh. Okay. Chris? Chris, where'd you go? Huh. Okay. It's weird. I don't know what that was. Guys, oh!
This is a nice setup. I could use this. What's up, YouTube? All right.